are going to love the 2013 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, power brakes, dual exhaust, interval wipers, leather upholstery, keyless entry, premium sound system, security system, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.